so right here we got this nice Thai bar. I'm fucking with it. Somebody in here? Oh yeah, fucking with it. With the fucking what? This shit clean. I'm not gonna flex. Yeah. Ooh, that's what we like to see, baby. Woo! Is this what I think it is? Oh yeah? Oh yeah? It's pretty clean. Oh yeah? Oh, this is? Okay. I know this person. Follow him on Insta. Alright. VQ boys. Oh my god. Hold up. Hold up. Sir, you're fitting. Okay. Yes, sir. Didn't mean to be in the shot, brother. Alright. Fuck it. I fuck with it. Fuck with all of it. Alright. Didn't mean to get in the shot. Okay. Yes, sir. Okay. With the readies. Alright. We got the answer right here. Brandon with the damn. Alright. There, look. Right. And then we got this guy right here, sir. Where's your fitment? It's probably on bags. Can't really tell. Don't look like it, but it's got a nice wheel setup. The whites, the reds, yes sir. Oh, we got the twins right here. We got the twins. Oh yeah. It'd be quiet. Can't even hear that bit. We got 1, 2. All right. We got the I don't know, what does that say? E95. I fuck with it. We got the don't hit the Mustang, sir. Don't hit the Mustang, sir. All right. A 5-0. All right. She vibing. It's fuck with it. I fuck with it. All right. What we got on the Z over here?
You stepping in a full puddle.
I mean, I got my work shoes on, so I'm good. Sheesh. VQ?
I'm not fucking with this right.
I fuck with it though. Hello? Oh, you got a friend?
I do have a friend.
Hey. It's just getting soggy out here in the Nismo? Come on. In the oh my god. You want a picture? It's a video. It's nighttime. Come on, man. Shit. Oh, you got the lighting with it. You got the lighting. Okay then. I mean, you can't really see you. Can't really see you. No. Yeah, you can't really see. Oh, flash. Oh. This man is providing the perfect lighting.
Yeah, he is providing.
With the Z. What's her name or his name?
I don't have one.
You don't have a name for the Z? Come on.
Comment below some names for the Z. I'll show you my boy Nick's car.
Where's Nick's car? Alright.
I love it.
Damn. Some good soup. Some real good soup in there.
It's just a vibe, thank you.
Whoa. That's some nice bra. Cook some chicken noodles in there. Let's see, what's the ad? What's the ad? Alright. We got the underglow. Alright, look at that. Alright, we got that boost in Miata. Let's take the adventures again. Look at that. Look at that. Intercooler. 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 We got this. We got the GTI. Damn, fucker. With the yellow headlights. Alright, remind me of some elote, man. Alright, can't see in there, but. Damn, fucker. Where's your spacers at, Holmes? Where is your spacers at? And we got these boys just posted up on the side, you feel me? This man is on the floor. This man is on the floor. You feel me? Brother, where's your camber? He said, camber? Yes, sir. That's Mike, FRS 13. Alright, it's clean. He also got some soup in here. Got a little bit of soup with the works. Alright, alright. He missing a little turn signal. He been rubbing a little bit, just a little bit, you feel me? This boy static or not? In the FRS. Okay, no fog light delete. Fog light deletes. Damn fuckers. Don't die. Then we got the carbon ST. Alright, these are real clean. I fuck with them.
Oh god damn.
Sheesh. The best life. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. I like that.
I fuck with those wheels. Damn. We got the crew right here.
That's perfect, bro.
Damn. Don't fuck that rear bumper up.
You ready to hit somebody, bro?
Damn.
I don't know if it's going to stop.
Don't need to flex on us, big money.
He wouldn't do that. I gotta replace the wheel speed sensor. We alright, we alright. Yo, he needs that. He needs that.
Trying to run it?
You trying to run that? Alright,
No. No. No.
Yo, chill out. We gonna sideways, bro. You're fine with that, bro. I finally have the power to do this. Hey, but listen, don't do that shit again. This is my third car, and this is the only one I can do. Yeah, don't do that shit again. I'm gonna beat your ass, bro. As soon as you get into work, bro, I'm drilling. I like that in your ass.
Hey, yo. Somebody went for a rip.
Boom! Chambered in the same size bullet that AK shit. 7.16, baby. That's what we do, baby.
I know. Wait. Wait.
And then I'm getting a full-size box to keep in my
It's so cute. I love it. It's so cute. I love it.
Owner of the Dimsdale Dimmadome.
Take that shit on the road, bro. Take that shit on the road.
Alright, okay. With the pop too.
Dude, does he have an exhaust? Oh, no, man. I don't know. $50 right there. 20 bucks, bro. Yeah.
Alright then. Who pulling up? Up and in. Oh shit. Okay. Alright then, who pulling in? Alright then. Okay. rich, pal.
My first time skiing.
Yeah, you're right. That would take me so hard.
Why? My daughter hooked to my knee.
Do the same shit I do. Open the door and stick your head out.
Just roll down the window, sit up, and watch one mirror. If you get one side straight, the other side will be
It's
straight.
just so, like, you
Where's the
All right, you.
I know.
I thought it was the homeless man that I was
Was passing slow. All right, then with the carbon. Shit, fucker. Look at that. Sheesh. With the carbon. Yes, sir.